Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be especially for the Billions Network Bill token followers. Today is the second day and we are topping number 1 on the trending tokens for CoinMarketCap. Now this has been an amazing run. This is the 5th day for the Billions Network tokens on since launch. This is the 5th day, and so far it has gotten to $187 million in market cap. This is amazing, and price now is at I think 0.07 dollar. And trust me, I believe that we are going to get 10 cents before day 10. I'm very certain that we're going to touch 10 cents before day 10. Now, for the primary purpose of this video, I would first off, before showing you the entire stuff I want to show you for today's video, I'll first off try to explain what or how DEXs do swap, how they swap tokens. Now, swapping of token, when you go in depth, you start hearing things like liquidity pools, and now these liquidity pools are just pools of two tokens imputed and at a certain ratio. Now, one or both of these tokens must also have an external value. This is how they link values together. Now, each of these pools usually do not have the same price. Now you can see pool number 1. Let me use for example, say Bitcoin USDT. You can see in pool number 1, you will see maybe the price there is $81,510, and then you are seeing in pool 2 a different price of $81,500. There's difference of $10, and you can see another pool that has a higher value. They all have different values. Now this is where arbitrage opportunity steps in, where you now buy the differences between these two between these two liquidity pools, rather, not tokens. You see a different price on pool A. You buy from a place where it's cheaper, and you go and sell at a place where it's higher. Now, with that out of the way, telling you how arbitrage links with liquidity pool and how liquidity pool deals with the prices of a token. Now, the aggregated sum of all this value gives a token its price. Most times, when you check the prices of a certain pair in a smaller liquidity, you realize that the prices at the smaller liquidity are most times lower, and this is because they don't have as much traffic as liquidity pools from larger exchanges. They don't have as much crowd or pool for buying and selling on those pairs. With that kind of situation, you now start seeing prices of some pairs lower in some exchanges than they would be on a different exchange or on a higher exchange. And with this, I've also noticed that this happens very perfectly for new tokens on smaller exchange tend to have kind of smaller price, and this is kind of a loophole that I found out. I'm going to show you this with example. Now let me show you the example. Now if you go to this application, Velaris Network, it's a cross DEX platform. It allows you to do multiple crypto based transactions and allow you to do that on multiple networks. As you can see here they have different options for network options. They have different network options. You can check Ethereum, BSC, AVAX, Base, Polygon. I think that's what they have for now, and then you can also maybe get, I believe they said they will be doing more, like adding more networks to this. So you can also click on the how to use to show you exactly how you can use the platform from different levels, different levels. Sorry, I'm refreshing the page. So it will show you. You see the initiate level, the operator level, the I think the architect level. I don't know if that's the last. Okay, yes, I think that's the last level. So you can go through it on your own time. You'll see how that works. Now, before we do this, first off, let's just go back to CoinMarketCap, and then I would need something. I would need to get the what they call it, the contract address for billions network token. Now we'll come down here. Please be careful where you copy this contract address from, because it's important, so you do not go and get phishing token and then waste your money on buying fake tokens. So you copy this address, make sure you see this copy at the top there. Once it's copied, you come back to Valerie's network. Once you come to Valerie's network, click on this menu icon and switch to swap. On the desktop, it's clear, it's at the top there, you just see swap. And then I want to switch the network from, because I copied the BSC network, so I'm switching to BSC. Now BSC, I've switched to it, and as you can see, I have about 3.122454 BNB. So what I'll do next is to click on this the lower token, or the quote token, and then provide that contract address I copied. I'll paste it here. After pasting it, you see the billions token. I can now select it. After selecting it, I can now, let me just say, let me buy 1 BNB worth of the bill token. Now as you can see here, it's giving me 11,117.247963 bill tokens. Now I will show you why this is amazing, why this is actually a win. Let me conclude with the swap process. So I'll confirm my swap and allow this to process for a while. Now as you can see, I've successfully swapped the token. I close it. As you can see here, this is my bill token balance. And remember, I used 1 BNB, and 1 BNB that I used in buying this was somewhere around $654, if you can remember from the display on the screen. Then now let me copy out this value I have here. I copy this value, then I come back to CoinMarketCap. If you scroll down, just get to compare. Okay, here now, where you have this, just impute this quantity of what they call it, of bill that we just bought. Now if you impute it, you are seeing about $850. Now to be sure we are making gains from this transaction, like I told you, doing this, buying this from billions, I can go back and sell this on other platforms where I know it's cheaper. But for now, I don't want to sell this token. I want to hold on to this token, because I believe this token is actually going somewhere. So let's open a different tab and then go to CoinMarketCap again. CoinMarketCap again, and then we are going to check for the price of 1 BNB. I don't know why it's coming to top and trending again. Just go to top and then let's select BNB. Okay, can't I select it from there? I should be able to. Alright, as you can see, 1 BNB is currently worth $651. So approximately we have made close to $200 just buying this from Valerie's network. And if we decide to sell right now on any other platform, though it's coming down, yes, it's just price change. This is a normal thing. Now if I come down and sell this now, I have easily made $200, almost $200, just this quick transaction between buying this from Valerie's network and probably deciding to sell on any other platform I want to sell, let's say PancakeSwap or something. Now guys, this is an amazing discovery, but I'm very sure this is not something that will stay for very long. This is only happening because the Valerie's pools are newly created and probably do not have so much traffic as other pools now, like the ones you find on PancakeSwap would have. But prices are now calculated based off of these bigger exchanges. Guys, if you've learned anything from this video, I'd encourage you to smash that subscribe button so that you get updated about any new thing that we drop. Also, do not forget to like the video if the video has been helpful. Also make comments. This will help us with the algorithm. Let the channel grow fast so we can reach to more people and more interesting content. Until next time, guys, stay safe.